Hi, and welcome back to Online Tools Master. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world's simplest number tool, the words to numbers converter. Whether you need to convert written words like 36 to a numeric value like 36, or handle decimal numbers and currencies, this tool has you covered. Let's take a closer look at how it works. This online tool is perfect for converting English words into digits quickly and easily right in your browser. It supports whole numbers, decimals, and even different currencies. All you have to do is enter the written numbers and the converter instantly provides the numeric form. Want to know more? Let's walk through a few examples together. In this first example, we're converting words to integers. Here I've typed 123 and 123. Notice how both formats give us the number 123. The tool even handles phrases like 6 sixes to calculate 6 times 6 and returns 36. It's that easy to work with both simple and complex integers. Next, let's check out decimal numbers. You can write them out fully, like 6.12, or enter them digit by digit, like 6.12. It also recognizes common fractions. For example, 2.5 becomes 2.5. This flexibility makes it super useful for all types of decimal conversions. Now let's explore currency conversions. This tool recognizes over a dozen currencies. For example, when I type $1.50, it converts to $1.50. You can also customize the format, whether you want decimals or individual coin symbols like $12 and a dime to $12.10. This tool makes it a breeze to handle different formats no matter what currency you're working with. And there you have it. The words to numbers converter makes turning written words into numbers quick and simple. If you found this tool helpful, be sure to check out our other videos like pick a random item and calculate number sum. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.